We have fabulous employment opportunities and programming with JCA for our 50-plus job seekers. We have our virtual 50-plus employment expos as well as our JCA Career Gateway program. The employment expos are opportunities for job seekers and wonderful employers in Fairfax County and Northern Virginia to come together in a one-day event, really provide opportunities for our job seekers as well as workshops in the morning, and then have our employers come and present in the afternoon with opportunities for our job seekers. These expos are really for job seekers and opportunities of all levels. So there are entry-level opportunities, mid-level management, senior executive, and all different professions. And so it's really a great opportunity for our job seekers to hear of the opportunities that are available to them. In addition to these wonderful 50-plus employment expos, we've also got the Career Gateway, which is a 5-day job search skills training program for the professional 50-plus job seeker who's looking to re-enter the workplace or perhaps transition into a new career. Both programs, the expos and the Career Gateway, are currently held virtually. So it's easy to participate. It's if you've got a laptop or some type of device, you can participate. The virtual 50-plus employment expos are great events, and we look forward to bringing them back to you next year.